Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. So first thing you have to go into your analytics.google.com using your, of course, Google account. So once you are here, it's going to be really easy. Just locate your actual administrator settings. Let's go and look out for create a new property. And here, what you have to do is create a Google Analytic for property to measure our web or app data. This is what we are actually looking for. So let's go and look out for let's say here reporting time zone United States currency US dollars. I'm going to leave like that, and here into the advanced options I have to create a universal analytics property. So I want to enable this option, and I have here my website URL. This is the part where you wanted to go back into your actual store. You have to copy the URL of your store, go back here and paste that one here. And lastly, you want to select the industry category. In my case, let's go for art and entertainment. This is a business size, small, increase my conversions and getting to create. Lastly, this one is going to be generating us an actual stream name, iStream URL and iStream ID. So we need to actually install this manually. So what we can do is just copy this Google tag manually. So I'm going to go and choose copy. It says below is the Google tag of the account. Copy and paste this one in a code of every page of your website immediately after the head element. So I'm going to copy this one again, go back into my actual Shopify. Let's go into online store. Here in online store, let's locate these three dots and go into edit the code. So here in the code, just want to focus into theme liquid. If you want to find the head, it's going to be really easy. As you can see, it's already in here. It says head, so I just need to click here ent mark and paste my actual Google tags. So I'm going to go into save, and here we go. Now go back into my actual section. I'm going to scroll down a bit. I want to confirm that I have done this like really fast. As we go into the X mark and view track instructions, and here we actually good to go. It says one connected. So as you can see, I have connected tags already have been added. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.